All right, what's up, folks? Thank you for watching my video on online STD testing. The service that I'm going to recommend in this video is stdcheck.com, and if you click the link below this video, you'll actually be able to get $10 off your order, which is automatically applied at checkout. All right, so the reason that I'm going to suggest them is the main reasons is that the process itself is a lot faster than if you would just go into the hospital or into the clinic. That wait is usually, you're sitting around in the room with everyone looking at you and everything is kind of awkward, and it kind of defeats the purpose when it comes to wanting privacy and being confidential. The process itself, once you order the kit online, you just take it into the lab, whichever one that you choose, and they have a lot of locations to choose from, and then it's really, you're just in and out. There's no paperwork to sign or anything. It's about 5 to 10 minutes. You're in and out, and then you usually get your results within 24 hours. And on top of that, the main things that make it best is they have the most comprehensive tests. They have the 10 panel test, which no one else has, where they test for all of the common STDs that are out there. They're the only ones online that do that. And then also the pricing, they have the lowest prices out of all the other services online, and it's way lower than if you were to go into like the hospital or the clinic yourself and pay out of pocket, or going through insurance or whatever. But that's the reasons why I think that they're the best. It covers all the bases as far as I'm concerned. And that's pretty much it. So like I said, if you click the link below the video, it'll take you to the website here, and then you'll be able to get the $10 off on your order. And I hope you find everything you're looking for. Thank you for watching the video. Appreciate your attention. All right, bye.